Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, west central Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Girton, or 13 miles south of Arkadelphia, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Garrison, Ridgewoods, Joan, Curtis, Daylard, Grapevine Town, Manning,